lot more happening right now. Oops, almost walks right into a branch. We have just started the all-terrain Songbird Trail in the Hiawatha National Forest. I'm sorry, I wasn't sure if we were going to have enough time to stop here, but I woke up early and we made good timing so far. So we are good to go. This is supposed to be 2 miles long, lightly trafficked. When you come in, you're surrounded by all the campsites, but the parking, like where the GPS tells you to park, it's like right across is the trailhead. As you walk in, you see a bunch of signs for different birds that are like native to this area. And I was really hoping that the trail of Songbird Trail wouldn't be misleading, but it wasn't. There are plenty of birds. So what I wanted to say was, you know what's been really nice about all these trails I've been on the past weekend up here in the UP? Come on, bud. I have not gotten bit once by a mosquito. Haven't even seen a mosquito. Nope, nothing. And we open up to this nice little clearing where General is hiding. Can you spot the General? So now we've reached farther up the river and it is a lot more happening right now. Oops, almost walks right into a branch. This is a pretty cool river. I'm digging it. So, grass pink bog. I don't know, General was about to walk in there. I just saw mud and I was like, no, but I don't think I've ever seen a real bog before. Like, is this what a bog is? I mean, I guess. I just found a sign for a blue jay, and I don't know why. This just reminded me of this very funny story of how special I was as a child. I knew there were blue jays. They were called blue jays. And then when I was really little, I saw a red one. And I was like, oh my God, it's a red jay. So later I learned it was called a cardinal, but for a long time I was calling it a red jay. Which now makes me think, what are the yellow ones called? I think I'm having pregnancy brain right now and I can't Google it because I don't have perception. So hopefully, either you can comment down below because I never Googled it, but help a girl out.